I'm Jeff, and today we'll be learning about Igbo. So Igbo is a rhythm that we play in Haiti, and it represents, freedom, breaking chains, physically and mentally. So anytime you want to feel free, you want to be strong, you can say Igbo, okay? So we'll start with the meter for the Igbo. So it's really simple. So Igbo is a 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, zampam padam, zampam padam. So we'll be learning each part, as an ensemble because we're gonna learn all the parts, for the Igbo. Okay, cool. So first we'll play the meter. So 5, 6, woy, woy, woy. Okay, so all open tone. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if you want to add some bass in between, to make it more groovy, so you can do the same pattern. Zampam padam, zamta badam, and badam dadam, zamta badam. Okay, let's try 5, 6, woy, woy, woy. Okay, so we have other ways to play Igbo. So we have the mama brapam zampam. So I can either do the simple way zampam padam, a little faster, or I can play another way, second way. 1, 2, 3, 4, double. Open tone, but I'm just doing double. Badam, 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 badam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Badam, badam, badam. Whoop. Okay, so I'm gonna add some bass again, to make it nicer. 5, 6, 7, word. Simple, more. Slaps, so some open slaps. Okay, 5, 6, same pattern. Boy, zapam, 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 pada, zapam, 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 pada. 5, 6, boy, what? So now let's go back to the first pattern. Zapam padam, zampam padam, zapam padam, and then we're gonna, go into the second where you can play both zapam, zapam, zapam part. Okay, 5, 6, first way. Yeah. So other than that, we have a bunch of, other variation into Igbo, because I feel like when you're drumming, when you're playing the rhythms, and then you have to pay attention to the dancer, and then if they change their movements, you have to follow them. So let's see something else. I'll teach you another thing, another variations. So we had that. Second one. So third one. So I'm using some close stop for that one. Open and some bass. Okay, so one, two, three, four. Zikita kat kata 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 5, 6. Boy. So it's open, stop. Okay, so now we're gonna add some bass. So ziggy taka kataka ziggy taka kataka ziggy taka kataka ziggy taka kataka ziggy taka kata boy. 5, 6, 7, boy. So I'm actually adding another bass. So okay, so second bass, I'm gonna add the second bass. Okay, so as I was saying, we have a bunch of variations. So I'll only do 3 for now. So I'm gonna go, back to the first one, zikin kidding, sim tividim, and then second one, ziki, pada, zippy, tibi, pa, and then we're going back. We're going to the third one, ziki da gat kata, ziki da gat kata. Okay, so all together from the top, 5, 6, boy. And that's it. Woo! That was the meter and simple basic one. And then we have other variations. Okay, so that's Igbo meter. Okay, so now we're doing the mama for the Igbo mama. So the mama is the lead drum for the Igbo rhythm. And yeah, so let me play a little bit and then we'll go back we'll break the parts down. Okay. Okay, so simple. So that's a basic pattern for the mama Igbo. Okay, so Igbo mama part. So you have your stakes of 4/4, pa 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 pa. So just so you have your downbeat with your left hand or right hand. And I'm using my fingertips too. Okay. Da, ba, 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 ba. And you're gonna have some upbeats, okay? Bum, bum, bum. So you can either do the upbeat, as an open tone with your left hand, or if you're using your right hand, or you can use the stick to do the, upbeat open tone. Okay, so. So after that, once you have that part down, that's a basic, and then you can add some variation. So that was a break. So that was a long break. Like when the dancers are doing their thing. But let's do the intro break for the mama. To call in the other instruments. Okay, so bazing ke bazing pe pe bum. So there is different ways to do that break, but let's learn that one. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go into the basic rhythm that we learned earlier. Okay, so it's bum, bim, bim, bum. One more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bum, bim, bim, bum. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 1 last time. So we start with the upbeat. Okay, so bazim ba pe bum ta ba 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 bum ba ba ba. Let's try. Igbo. But then you learn some variation, making it nicer, more interesting. But you go back to the same, basic pattern. Okay, cool. Mama Igbo. Woo. Okay, kata for the Igbo rhythm. Okay, so the kata, it's really supportive, So always make sure, your kata is really strong, okay? That's what's gonna keep the rhythm going. So you have someone who's good on the kata, supporting the whole band, boom, you're good. Okay, so it's really simple for the kata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, kata. But sometimes it's faster. 5, 6. Work. It's simple for the kata. Okay, so that's kata Igbo. Whoop. Woy. So now we're doing the bell for the Igbo. Okay, so really simple. So all upbeat, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Papa, 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 1, papa, papa, papa. 1, 2, 3, boy. And sometimes you can add some stuff, make it funky. 5, 6, woy, whoop. So as long as you go back, to the original pattern, okay? So 5, 6, woy, whoop. Okay, so that's a bell for Igbo. Okay, so now we're doing the shaker for Igbo. Okay, cool. So really simple. 5, 6, 7, woy. Ta 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 woy whoop. That's it for the shaker Igbo. Whoop.